Welcome back, everyone. You are watching Insight right now. We are here on location here with Foster Financial. Heather Foster's here joining me. Nice to be here today, Heather.
Thank you for coming out again.
Most definitely. Love being able to be here at your new facility. A beautiful facility it is.
Thank you.
We've talked about when people come in and get that consultation, right? That free consultation. What are the next steps?
So after we've done kind of that initial meeting where we've gotten to know each other to see if we can help or not, we'll invite people back for a second meeting. The second meeting actually doesn't have a charge either, but that is where we're going to talk about what we would want to do for somebody, what we've already identified some areas that they need some help with. And we actually are consultants. So we start with consulting. Everyone who goes through our process, there is no quick step for it. We don't just take on clients. We actually have everybody go through a consulting process first, where they will actually hire us to do a full financial plan so we can actually go in and audit every investment that they have, the way that they're currently contributing to their employer plans. All those things start to matter long term when you start mixing that with the long-term taxation of their money. Again, health insurance. People go, well, health insurance, how does that affect my investments? But the way that you save your money in your employer plans, for example, if you do all pre-tax, could end up causing you to have a much higher health insurance cost later in life because of things like IRMA, which is an additional Medicare premium, or higher health subsidy plans as well if they retire prior to 65. So every choice you make in your earlier years will affect you long term. So our job in the consulting process, when somebody hires us to do a financial plan, is we do an extensive audit of everything they have, pensions, pension options, and how those things are going to affect them long term. We lay out a plan of action. We actually call it the action plan. Yeah. So we lay out a full financial plan, we do tax analysis, but then we actually lay out an action item plan. The action item plan is going to walk them through, okay, now that we've audited everything, we've looked at your entire picture, and we've laid out a structure that we know is going to save you the most in taxes, grow your money in the most effective way, return-wise, investment-wise, health insurance-wise, all those things again, legal planning. We make sure that everything's set up correctly. We teach that to you so that you can actually be empowered, that if you wanted to take our financial plan and our action item list and do it yourself, we're going to empower you to be able to do it on your own. Yeah. Now, I will say that most people at the end of the process, because it is quite intensive, they go, I don't want to do this all on my own. So that's when they actually become long-term clients. We're looking at actually managing their money for them or helping them implement the actual plan. These meetings, though, just to give you an idea, there's about 15 to 20 hours of behind-the-scenes work that goes into the plan and all the auditing. And then there are two-hour financial planning sessions in person here in the office to get somebody to and through the actual financial plan. In addition to that, we've done some prep work ahead of time normally, where we'll bring you on the phone and we'll call these companies to get all the information as well. So a lot of hours go into the financial plans, and they are needed.
Most definitely. You know, that's the thing. People get this money and it's like, what do I do with it? And where do I put it? And it can be tricky sometimes, right?
I tell them they do the hard work by saving it. Once they've saved it, our job is to find out the most efficient and effective way to utilize everything through the retirement years.
Heather, you always bring the best tips, helping people out. You guys, book that consultation. You just heard right there the next steps. And if you take a look at your screen right now, you can find all of the information. Guys, get out here to be able to handle your money right. Foster Financial. We'll be right back.